Hi guys, it's Haley and Steve here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana, and I actually have a question for you today. So I am curious when it comes to carrying. So open carry versus concealed carry. You know, there are pros and cons to both sides. People are very passionate about whichever one that they choose. So I'm curious as to what your standpoint is on which is the best. And
All right, so a lot of times people will make a decision sometimes based on what their state laws are.
Sure.
So in some states, it's that you have to have a special license to carry concealed. In some states, it's that if you have a license, you must conceal it. And then there are some states like our state that basically is a license to carry, and it basically doesn't dictate how you carry that. And so you will have some people carrying in the open, some people carrying concealed. I can make arguments both directions, and I would start off with I personally choose to carry concealed because I believe that as citizens, as John Q. Public, I think it, quite frankly, the best asset that we can have on our side in any defensive situation is the element of surprise. So I would rather not tip my hand to the person that is potentially willing to harm myself or others, because at the end of the day, if you've painted yourself as a target, and they now have the element of surprise, they know when to take the initiative, and they can catch you off guard, they're probably going to eliminate the biggest threat first, and that's probably the person that they've identified as carrying a firearm. So what arguments would there be on the other side of this? Some people say, hey, I carry open carry because it might prevent a crime from happening. I suppose there might be an argument there. It's a possibility. I also have heard where people will carry if you're on a farm. I do that sometimes myself. If I'm out working outside on the farm or something of that nature, then I might carry open carry just because it's convenient. And quite frankly, I'm not trying to hide it from anyone. Then certainly if you're in security or law enforcement, chances are everyone knows that you have a firearm, and being able to access it openly and easily without getting tangled up on anything might be pretty important. But generally speaking, as a civilian, I would argue that I would rather maintain my element of surprise. I'm not looking to be the fastest person there. I'm looking to surprise the bad guy, and because quite frankly, no matter how fast I think I am, if they've got the drop, I'm not fast enough. So my argument would be probably lean towards the side of concealed carrying if I have the option.
right, and that's actually something that we talked about today in the educational course that I took here at Top Guns. And they said, if you are a person that's carrying open carry and there is a situation, you might be the person that's most likely to be taken out or eliminated from that situation.
Absolutely. All right, guys, so this is something that everybody seems to get heated on. Be sure and post your logic and your reasons down below. We'd love to hear some of your reasons behind either concealed or open carry.
Yes, so make sure you like, comment, hit the share button and the bell up in the corner. That way you know the next time that we post a video.
Thanks, guys. Take care now.